Hi guys, hopefully you are well and you are doing good. So in this video we will talking about to create a script of your tables, okay, or basically your database table. So basically in SQL Server Management Studio, to create a backup of your database we have multiple options. One is to create the whole backup, and it will create a .back file, and this back file contain everything which is inside your database. So in the current video, this is not the scope, we are going with the script one. The second option is we can manually create one by one table schema, and the third one, by adding a multiple tables and multiple schemas, we can select them and creating the script for on a single go. Okay, so we will talking about the last one, how to create multiple script at a single time. So first of all, just open the SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the database engine, and come over here and select any database. Suppose I'm taking to this DB, and this DB contain only one table. Okay, just no. Okay, just come with IVSM. This is also a good product, I will show you in some other video. Okay, so this contain multiple tables as you can see over here, and we want to create a backup. So the first basically don't say the backup, we want to create a script. So the first option is we can go with this with here to directly create a script of this table, something like this. But over here what we will get only a single table, we don't have an option of multiple script of different tables. Okay, so for that what we will do, we will go with this another option. For that we have to click onto database one and create on the task option, and there is a generate script options. As soon as you click over there, wizard will open, and just on screen instruction do next, and you will find that on the second slide that select the database object to script for which these you want to create the script. The first default option is script entire database all database object, but we don't want that, so go with that other options. So these are the tables, so either you can create the whole table script in a single go, or you can manually select one. Okay, suppose I don't want to use this one PC name or any other, so I can leave that. Okay, and then go to next. So default option is save to file, where your script will saved one, save to clipboard, save to a new query window. So I'm gonna select the new query window. One more options is also there, that is advanced one. So different options are there to generate the script one basically, but the most important option is type of data to the script, which data you want to add into the script one. Data only, schema and data, and schema only. Basically what is schema? Only the structure. For example, create table command and all these indexes command will add it into a schema only. In data only current data which is into the table, the command will create it for that. If I select the both one, then both data and schema will create it. So right now I'm going with the default option. If you want, you can if you want a backup of your data also, so you can go with that option. So go to next and next. So this is the progress one which is completed now. You can see this is IVSM. Okay, and the tables option are there. So as you see that I have not selected the PC table, so there is no name with PC, and you can use this script to create another database or as a backup also, or for any other purpose also you can keep it. Okay, so I think you like it, so please don't go without like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye.